Hello, guys. It's good to see your face again. It's your girl, Ola being Perita Akinlayo. If today's your first time seeing this beautiful face, please feel free to join the family by subscribing and turning on your post notification bell. Okay, thank you for joining the family. And don't forget, one more time, to turn on the post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new content just like the one you're watching. So going by today's title is gonna be an unboxing of my new microwave that I just acquired. I bought this since last week, but I haven't had the time to do the unboxing video. And mind you, today is November 13, 2023, and it's a Monday. And yeah, I'm home alone. The kids are not here, and it's currently, I think it's past 1 or almost 1. I can't really say precisely, but that's fine. So there's a genesis to me getting this new microwave. The old microwave, I mean, my apartment, we have the apartment microwave, but the apartment microwave is it's not big enough. So we have our own personal microwave that we also have. So the personal microwave is the one I'm talking about that it got stopped working, and I was left with the apartment microwave, which is not really big enough. So let me show you guys the old microwave. Okay, so guys, this is the old microwave. This microwave is a legendary microwave. This microwave, my husband has been using it before he got married to me. He's been using it with the men them. Okay, so this microwave is done. You can see it's really old, like super duper old, but it has really served my husband and also served me and also served my kids. Like, it has served us well. So irony of thing is that, yeah, so this microwave started working back the day I went to get a new microwave at Target. In fact, I wasn't the one who even figured it out. I wasn't the one who figured it out. My son Daniel actually was like, "Mom, the microwave is working back again." Wow, that is strange. I was like, "Yeah, what do you mean the microwave is working back again? It stopped working." And all of a sudden, I got a new microwave home and it started working back. I don't know. But anyways, let us go. Let me go the side. That's my new ring lights. Anyway, let us go and dive into the new microwave. Okay, let us unbox this baby right here. This baby. Let us unbox it. Okay, so let's unbox this together. All right, I'm so excited. It's new, and it's a Cusinart. Cusinart. So guys, this is the brand Cusinart, and it's from Target. Like I said earlier, I got it from Target. So let us dive in. Ooh, this is so nice, guys. Let me put my knife down. So on opening it, the first thing here is the microwave plate. Everything is well packaged, guys. The first thing in here is the plate. Oh Jesus, guys. I'm gonna set it right here because it can't break. It can't break. And here is the main deal. Hubby is not home, so it's just me. He would have helped with this now. When you're a woman, yeah. This is interesting, guys. I'm so clumsy, guys, but we're gonna get there. Oh, yay. Okay. Whew. So, guys, yeah, cut this baby right here. I really love it. It's like, it's almost the same size as the, I mean, they are the same size actually with the one my husband used, the legendary microwave from my husband. So I will be cleaning up where the legendary microwave, the legendary microwave is right now. Whew. I'm trying to catch my breath just for this small microwave. Kai, I'm lazy, y'all. So I'm gonna clean up that area and put the new microwave there. Okay. Oh my god, guys, this place is so messy, but it's okay. Guys, I'm so excited of this new microwave. Where's my microwave plates? Let me grab my microwave plates, guys. Okay, so I put in my microwave plates, guys, and everything is sitting in. Let me show you guys how it looks. Let me show you guys. Oh, excuse me, out, so guys. So this is how it looks inside. I'm so excited, and here it is, and that's on. That's on, period. Yeah, so here is it. Works perfectly fine, and those are all the functions. The button, oh, someone says it, the function, everything is in there. So at this point I really want to say thank you for watching. If you watch up to this moment, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. This is the brand Cusinart. Don't forget to be part of the family. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. Love ya. Mwah.